Mrs. Yogita Nagara originally hails from Andhra Pradesh, but around 22, 23 years back, she got married to a gentleman from Bangalore, and they both moved to UK. So in the past 20 to 23 years, they have been living in UK, and she's always been a very good and an ardent cook. She had her passion in cooking and was always very popular even during her stay in Hyderabad. And this time it was a very, very big achievement. One of the few Indians to have entered the MasterChef UK was Mrs. Yogita Nagara. So she had a wonderful journey there, and Mehfil restaurant as such, though she is more into vegetarian food, but food is the common subject between me and her. So we always like to encourage people who are promoting food as a culture in the Western world. And she's done a commendable job in doing that, and made a name for herself and the country and the state and the city as well by being part of the Master Chef competition, which is a cooking competition. It's an international competition, and she was part of it. Rest all, I think she will be more, competent to explain the journey.
Thank you, everybody. I'm really overwhelmed ఇంత మీరు ప్రేమిస్తున్నారు. I'm really chuffed that నేను ఆంధ్రాలో పుట్టి పెరిగి then I've gone to UK. అక్కడ I've made not just Andhra వాళ్ళని but the whole of Indians proud by promoting South Asian food. ఎప్పుడు అనుకోలేదు I would go on a show like MasterChef UK, but I got the opportunity, and I'm really, really privileged to be on there to showcase our cuisine. And I made Hyderabadi Bagara Bangan and coconut rice and a few other things that are popular in Hyderabad. So yeah, really happy to be here, and thank you for all the love that you're showing me today. So I mean, there were 30,000 contestants who applied for MasterChef, and this was the 20th year of MasterChef UK. So out of the 30,000, I was one of the 50 to be selected and be on the show. So it's not a mean achievement, considering that I'm not a professional chef. I've just learned cooking through my mom. And being in the UK, when I moved there 20 years ago, there's not much of vegetarian South Indian food. So I had to learn it myself, just feed it to friends and family who really constantly kept encouraging me. And my biggest supporters are my son and my husband, who wanted me to be on the show. Without their support, I never would have been there. And I'm also honored to be associated with Mehfil Group of Restaurants, and Jalil especially, who's always been a solid, supporter of the cuisine that I prepare, and just been supporting in every way he can. So thank you to you for that. It's been one of the biggest achievements in my life, I would say, because like I said, not many people get to go on the show and go to the stage I reached there. So it was an amazing experience. I've learned a lot. And like I said, I was able to showcase our Indian cuisine, especially South Indian and Hyderabadi cuisine, to the world. So really honored to have done that.
So మీరు అక్కడ కుక్ చేసినప్పుడు బగారా అండ్ కోకోనట్ రైస్ అన్నారు కదా, సో అదే వండాలని ఎందుకు అనిపించింది?
ఎందుకంటే నా రూట్స్ ఇక్కడ నుంచి కదా. సో I was thinking వాళ్ళు నాకు బ్రీఫ్ ఇచ్చారు, మేక్ సంథింగ్ దట్ ఈస్ బేసిక్ బట్ మేక్ ఇట్ బ్రిలియంట్ అని చెప్పి. సో బేసిక్ అంటే మనకు వంకాయ అంటే ఇట్స్ లైక్ బేసిక్ వెజిటబుల్, చాలా మందికి నచ్చదు, ఆర్ వంకాయ కూర అంటే అంత ఇష్టం ఉండదు అందరికీ. బట్ దెన్ ఐ సెడ్ దిస్ ఈజ్ లైక్ బేసిక్ బెంగన్ తీసుకొని నవాబీ రాయల్స్ కోసము హైదరాబాద్లో దే మేడ్ ఇట్ బగారా బెంగన్, లైక్ రాయల్ బగారా డిష్. సో ఐ సెడ్ వై నాట్ దిస్, అండ్ మై మదర్ వాజ్ ద బెస్ట్ బగారా బెంగన్ మేకర్. సో ఆమె నుంచి నేర్చుకున్న రెసిపీ I just wanted to showcase, and that's why I chose it, because my mom's favorite, my favorite, and everybody else, I can call it like my dish that I've made it we almost call it Nagara Bengan based on my surname now. So yeah, that is why.